How to fix ChatGPT app not working in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here ChatGPT. Now here you can check your ChatGPT update. If you have an update, then here you can see the update option. If you can't update your ChatGPT, then update your ChatGPT. After update your ChatGPT, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, scroll down and click on ChatGPT. And here you can see the option offload app. Now here you can offload your ChatGPT app and reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.